Experiencing a GPS not working error in your car? These issues usually manifest as no location signals, calibration errors, antenna failures, or update problems. To start troubleshooting, power cycle your infotainment system by turning off the car and restarting. Check antenna connections, usually located on the roof. Ensure they are clean and undamaged. Next, verify that your system software and maps are up to date. Find update options in the System Settings menu. If problems persist after these steps, it may indicate a more complex hardware issue needing professional attention. If basic troubleshooting fails, consider recalibrating your GPS via the system's factory mode or diagnostic tools. Use apps like Torque Pro for detailed diagnostics. In 2025, solutions lean towards software-defined fixes. Automakers like Tesla, Ford, and BMW often roll out over-the-air updates to resolve GPS calibration bugs. Also, consider signal interference from urban environments or 5G networks. The future involves hybrid GPS solutions combining satellites with augmented reality and AI for error correction. Expect more decentralized navigation systems using LiDAR and high-definition maps by 2030, reducing dependency on satellite systems.